Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Chat GPT tutorial. Let's create Photo Gallery Carousel on World Leaders. Using Chat GPT prompt. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence program that generates dialogue. Created by OpenAI. Here is the browser-based Chat GPT AI interface. Giving the prompt for the Photo Gallery Carousel. Create Photo Gallery Carousel with the following world leaders: Xi Jinping, Vladimir Putin, Emmanuel Macron, Keir Starmer, and Mark Carney. Click the Generate button, it will render and publish the result. Your result is rendering. Please wait. Click on Preview to view the result. Photo Gallery Carousel is ready. Now, you can take the piece of code and use it in your development carousel component. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.